Sorry. No, that's impossible. I'm truly sorry. Please understand just this once. Ugh. I'm exhausted. I need a coffee. Geez, I feel I'll go bald at this rate. Hello, Chuck? Oh, here you are.
Hey Laura, check this out. This article says the dating app company recommends the most romantic places to propose.
Oh, where?
It's that scene in Titanic where the hero holds her from behind and whispers words of love.
Oh, my Prince Charming. Oh my gosh!
Will you marry?
Please! No!
Whoops! My bad! I swear I didn't mean it!
Everyone! I don't recommend this place for a proposal.
If I were a man, I'd have gone bald already.
Thank you for preparing today's episode and sharing it with everyone. Today's word, recommend, means to suggest something as good. This is our dojo. And here, the very first thing you learn is respect, because respect is the foundation of all learning. Now, can you make a sentence using recommend?
I recommend to go this restaurant.
Gonta. We don't use an infinitive after recommend.
I recommend visiting this restaurant.
Well done, Coco. That Vespa outside. Are you sure it can actually run? That's right. Recommend is followed by a gerund or a that clause. This comes up often in grammar tests, so practice making sentences until it feels natural. Learning English is like training your muscles in martial arts. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes steady practice.
Come back next time and study a new word with us.
Everyone, please recommend our channel to your friends.